Hello and welcome. Greg here from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool, bringing you this fantastic looking Volkswagen Transporter short wheelbase. This particular example, in fact, is the Transporter Highline model, finished here in pure grey colour and powered by the more powerful 2-litre diesel engine with 150 PS worth of power. In terms of equipment, there's plenty for you to enjoy. The Light and Vision package will unlock the benefit of automatic headlights, rain-sensitive wipers, and even stylishly designed daytime running lights to keep you visible on the road day and night. As one of our approved used vehicles, it will benefit with up to 12 months warranty and roadside assistance too, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Round the side here, these stylishly designed Highline alloy wheels will add to the overall effect here, complementing the car with bespoke Transporter badging. Wing mirrors on the sides are also electrically adjustable and heated, which is a great feature to have. Once the sliding door is open, it will also reveal a very large cargo space. The wood paneling on the sides and wheel arches adds to the extra protection, as well as the metal bulkhead too. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, there's also bespoke Transporter badging available with rear parking sensors too. The wide opening doors will reveal a large area, and there's also metal tether hooks available on the floors and even LED ambient lighting in the roof. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin will also unlock a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, as well as a large touchscreen, and front seats will offer additional side lumbar support for added comfort. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Transporter Highline. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not give it a like now, or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once in the driver's seat of this Transporter Highline, the cabin will feel incredibly premium. Lots of features are guaranteed to put a smile on your face, and the driver control panel will also feature plenty. Automatic self-locking, electrically adjustable heated, and even power folding wing mirrors will add to the overall experience. Front electric windows are on offer, as well as even front and rear fog lights for poor visibility. The multifunction steering wheel can operate the trip computer and radio stations from the right side, with the left side operating the active cruise control and volume too. Digital speedometer will complement the analog dials very nicely, and there is also added safety systems on offer, such as a speed limiter function and even front assist city emergency braking, which will scan the road ahead. All your audio and music, as well as Bluetooth contacts, can be contacted from the wheel when on the move. On top of the dash, there's lots of storage for your documents, 12-volt socket, and even added cup holders for added convenience. The touch-sensitive touchscreen also will benefit from physical shortcuts and physical buttons on either side, adding to the overall convenience. For all your music, you'll be happy to know there's full AM, FM, and DAB digital radio reception with various view modes, with additional media source functionality unlocking various add-ons such as those on the screen. Phone pairing and telephony is very easy and will unlock Bluetooth audio, and there's even full Android Auto and Apple CarPlay smartphone interface. To help you park, front and rear parking sensors have been complemented by the optionally upgraded rear view camera with guidelines. Other great features in the vehicle will also include a vehicle settings function, which will allow you to optimize and personalize the feel of this Transporter Highline to make it your own. Moving down the center console, easy-to-use air conditioning can be operated via the rotary dials here, and other features will also include engine start-stop technology for added functionality and efficiency, and even 2 USB Type-C connectors to keep your device's battery topped up at all times. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Transporter Highline that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 0151 515 2911, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.